were not designed with what is called an afterburner, a part of the jet engine that is very common.
You're going to roast these trucks again.
I'm going to say, you look at the guy that's like, having about a drawing jet fuel exhaust in an airplane gives you the kick in the pants to get into a fight or out of a fight. Stewart over the top, slowing down, slowing down on that. Mark's crew chief, Wayne Rachel, is out there on the runway getting ready to be the starter for this race. How many of you think
you know what that is?
that Skip Stewart, with a diving start in Prometheus, will win the race? How many of you think the jet fire truck will win the race? A little more hands, a few more hands on that one.
I got the jet truck. You got the plane.
Yeah, I know what car smells like.
Skip's doing a little taunting for us there. But as soon as Wayne Rachel sees that the fire truck is ready to go, Skip Stewart now popping his smoke and he's going to be inbound here. And Skip's about 30 seconds out as Mark Smith gets into position. Okay, Skip Stewart's inbound. He's got the smoke on. Let's see if they're going to do this. He's in 9-bench flight. He's going really slow. This could be a big win for the jet-powered fire truck. Skip's got a Skip Stewart 9-bench flight, and look at Mark Smith. And pops the drone chute just after he passes Skip. Even with a long lead, the jet fire truck's acceleration got him a win. How about